The name of the dance is Bishvili. I forget the name, Shelatama. Later I will tell you. Start with your right, one in front, one behind. Step close, step close. Sway and go in, and turn to your right. Now on the line. Right and pivot. Left. Go up. Cross in front. And 1, 2, beginning, go. It's go in twice. From side to side. Sway. Now on the line with your right. 2, 3, and 4. Cross 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second part is the course, and this is we are ending the dance. We have open and cross to your right and we go full. Okay? Step close, cha-cha, cross back. Left to your left and cha-cha-cha, cross behind and front. Turn to your right, go back. We go into the camera and then outside. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 7, 8. Cha-cha, go back. Left, right, cha-cha-cha. We dance the dance twice. The end of the dance, we open the hands, 1. This is the ending. Bishvili.